Okay, so for those of you who are purchasing maintenance package today, right? So starting from today, we will proceed with the maintenance package mix and match. So mix and match means that when you purchase maintenance package 1 or 2, you can use 2 of the Eon product to exchange with me for 1x39. Okay, so this is how it goes. That for example, if you are in Singapore, when you place the order, the shipping address you will put Wood Square office, and in front the shipping address you put 1x39. So for my side, when Komala receive in Wood Square office, she will exchange with you. So if you are from Malaysia, the shipping address it will become my Old Claim Road office address, and in front you can put how many x39 that you need. Okay, remember I only take Eon, so the remaining other products, right, say maintenance package, you can get 7 products, other 5 products you can get whatever you want, but I only take Eon for x39. Okay, so we will start today officially. So don't worry, as long as you place the order with the maintenance package with 1x39 at either Auckland Road office or Singapore office, right? We will find a way already. Okay, so there will be not much problem, I believe. But in case there is any hiccup, right? Maybe it take 1 to 2 weeks for us to really address. So no worry about this. So this is one of our Life Changes community initiative to help you to get your downline to stay active, and they have more tendency to share the light with others. Okay, so if is every one of you clear about this maintenance mix and match, the procedure and the purpose? I think I mentioned this last week. If you guys are aware about this step 222, if you guys are aware, understand about this step 222, if you guys have no clue about what I say, step 333. If you guys know what I'm saying, that 222. If you guys don't know what I'm saying, that 333. I just want to know. Okay, just be frank with me, so that I know how. Okay, so most people know. Okay, so Richard, you can go back to your outline to know about this mix and match. So, we strongly suggest people to buy maintenance package. Okay, but the existing maintenance package, you can only choose the regular patches or the X39. So we are doing this within our organization to make this possible.